Yeah.
Like that's really what it boils down to is you have to have a plan that has some reasonable effort to mitigate those risks. But that's what it is. And so CFR 2111, the medical devices, all this is a big deal because the FDA mandated it. Well, why'd they mandate it? It's a pretty easy to understand. Let's say I've got to get a pacemaker put in. Well,
Yeah.
guess what? I don't want a pacemaker put in if the engineer in charge of it didn't sign off on the design papers before that sucker got made.
Yeah.
And I don't want a pacemaker put in if the guy that did the final QC on this thing um, fudged the records
Yeah.
because
Never
his
laid
buddy was
eyes
sick
on it.
that day.
Yeah.
I don't want that.
Yep.
Why don't we have that federal government for laws?
Yeah. I mean, I wonder how many times the president uses his signature each day, and
Yeah.
if that's just gone from a click of a button from a specific device or something like that to institute the signature. But yeah, I wonder what specifically he's calling into question. And I assume it's the fact that he's trying to say like Joe Biden didn't know that it was being used.
Yeah.
So
And I mean, look, I guess if you could get Biden to go on the record, I mean, he'd be politically a fool to do it. But if he went on record and said, "Yeah, I didn't have a clue what all that crap was, man.
yeah, well,
I just told him go for
I
it."
thought he did slip
Fine.
up somewhere, or he said something about how like he didn't know about somebody brought something up to him and he didn't remember it. He didn't
Yeah.
know, he didn't remember. And they're like, how do you not? And it was like, it had just happened. But then again, it's like we all forget
Yeah.
things, especially whenever we're under pressure and stuff.
I'm
But
look. I would love anyone knows. I mean, you can guess my political affiliations. All right.
yeah,
And so I don't think anyone questions that Biden had mental decline in
yeah.
whatever form
I
it
mean,
was or wasn't.
that's the unofficial reason he dropped out. It's like,